Hey guys, this is Mr. Rocky. Welcome to Edutainment Grounds. Today I'm here with another informative video on how to download and install the latest Movavi Plus video editor version 15.0.1. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to get inside the description and look for these links that have been provided. First, let me just copy this link, paste it in the Chrome. Make sure to install them. Obviously, I'm not a robot. Crossworks. So all you have to do is wait and get inside this link and download the software. So here it is. Make sure you download this. It's 1028 MB. So it's getting downloaded. Make sure to download the password phrase for the RAR. Meanwhile, let's download that. Traffic lights. Thanks for your support, guys. Previously, I've got a lot of subscribers. Get link. Download this password text file as well. There you go. I'm gonna paste this in desktop. Create a new creator. New Movavi 15 plus. Let me paste it here. So a little more, 34 seconds left. Make sure to check the videos that I've uploaded about on how to install the Adobe Photoshop, the latest 2019 version, and then some gaming videos. Just check the playlist. It's almost done. Let me copy that as well. I'm gonna paste it in the folder. So make sure you have the WinRAR. Extract it. It's gonna ask you a password. Already provided. Make sure to copy it and subscribe to my channel. So just paste the password and give OK. So there you go. There are 32 bits and then 64 bits. So minus 64. If you have any doubt, you can go to this PC and check it. Just go to this PC, right click on properties. So mine is 64 bits operating system, Windows 10. So I'm gonna install the 64-bit. Extract it here. Yep. So I'm gonna set up with all 64-bit. Make sure to read this on how to set it up and what not to do as well to enjoy the continuous service. So make sure to run the setup, accept the license agreement, install. So it's being installed. See Daisy, I forgot to see where the destination folder is. So I've just started the software. So it's not at activated. So to activate it, there are a few other steps. So it says this is the latest version and stuff. All the tutorial is here. So if you can see, it's asking for activation key. So just close this off. Make sure to carefully watch the steps what I'm doing right now. So it's already installed. Make sure to open the file location. This is the file location that I've installed the Movavi video editor 15 plus. Just go inside this activation of files, copy this, paste it in the destination Movavi folder, replace the files within the destination. Now just double click on it and open the software. So now it's done asking for a license key, thus it's activated. So that's how simple it is. Now you can edit and there won't be watermark in the videos as well. You can download, import. There are a lot of features included in this latest version and I would recommend this because as personally I use this editor for all my YouTube videos. Make sure to watch them and subscribe.